Welcome to the video tour of our total veterinary care location in Kennesaw, Georgia. This is the outside area. We have two entrances right here. And then across the street, we're located in a really small shopping center. So if you go across the street, there's a couple of restaurants, Publix, racetrack. And then we will take you inside and kind of show you what the inside looks like. This location's been here a little over 3 years, still fairly new. Only about 6 or 7 other businesses in here with us. And we have paintball, we're about to have a golf cart showroom, massage area across the street. Then this is the door to our main entrance. We'll go in. Here is our waiting area where our clients come in and sit. There's our Purina food in the back that we sell. And then we have our desk where our client care specialists sit behind and greet our clients, answer the phones. And then over here, we have a little coffee station. Usually have little water bottles, coffee for the clients, which we're not serving right now since we're still doing curbside. But the clients really seem to like that hospitality when they are coming in. And then in the corner over here, we have our scale when they come in, where we weigh the bigger animals especially. And then if we walk through this doorway into the hallway and go to the right, in here we have our doctor's office and practice manager office, 3 workstations in here. And then if we go down the hallway, right here we have our first exam room. Let me turn some lights on here. Here's our exam room number 1. We have our otoscope, ophthalmoscope on the wall, station in here, workstation with computer. Our tables actually lift so they can go up and down in case we have a big dog. We have 4 exam rooms total. They all look the same. So if we continue down the hall, we'll walk past room number 2. And then we have room number 3. And then on the left side, we have our 4th room. We use this room a lot, with it being over here a little bit quieter for our cat, our feline patients. Have the small scale in here. Then if we go on down the hallway, we enter our treatment room area right here to the left. We have our wet sink where we do our dentals, any laceration repairs, anything like that. And then around the corner, we have a few cages where we keep our hospitalized patients, our surgery patients post-op. And then to the right, we'll enter our radiology room. We have digital radiology. Our gowns and everything are in here. It's really nice, takes really good x-rays. Our autoclave stays in here. And then over in the corner to the left of the radiology table, we have the dental x-ray. We roll that out. And then if we come back out and go to the right, we have our break room area with some cabinets, snacks over in the corner for the employees. We keep coffee pot, microwave back here, and then we have a full-size fridge. Right here, we just have a storage room area, small storage room. And then if we go back out into treatment and go to the right, we have our bathroom right here on the right. Bathroom right there. And then next we have our laundry room with washer and dryer and all the bedding for our patients. And then right past there, we have our run area where we have the ability to keep a couple of our larger animals, our mop sink, bucket, our bowls, everything like that stays in here. And then this is where the other entrance is in the back for the employees. If we go back out and to the right, we have our Abaxis blood machines. We do a lot of blood work in-house here. Right here on the board, we have what we call our bark board. It's kind of a shout out for our employees to give a thumbs up to somebody that's done something that week that just kind of stood out to everybody. And then we have our isolation room in here with a few more cages. And then over here in the corner, we actually just got in today our lift gurney. So it actually goes up and down, saves all of our backs, as we all know in this field. So that's a really good thing that we're excited about getting that in here today. And then if we come back out into treatment and go back to the right, we have our fecal and our blood centrifuge, our microscope right here, hematocrit spinner, anything for our lab we keep in this corner. And then over here we do our surgery instruments, we wash them, we have the ultrasonic cleaner, instrument milk, anything that we need for the surgery instruments. And then on through this room, we have a few more kennels here. And then it's our pharmacy area. So we keep everything up on the shelves alphabetized up there. We keep our otic, ophthalmic, medications, topicals down in the cabinets below. We have 2 workstations in here. This is where the techs spend most of their days. And then we have a full-size fridge that has our vaccines, any medications that need to be refrigerated, and then our blood discs, our lab for lab. And then right here we have our dental unit, mid-mark dental unit. So very nice dental machine here that we have. And then if we walk back out into treatment, you'll see the exam table right there in the middle. We'll scale there for our smaller animals. And then right here to the right, we have another workstation with a lot of our injectables, gloves, all of that up there in the cabinets. And then if we go straight ahead, we will get to our surgery suite. It's set up for surgeries tomorrow, so we have some things already out. Up here we have our anesthetic hoses hanging. We actually have 2 anesthesia machines so that we can keep the doctor in surgery and the dogs anesthetized. Sometimes we'll have a dental going on right here outside the surgery suite with the other one. Over there we have our bag of fluids set up for tomorrow for our surgery patient. All of our surgery patients are on fluids, IV fluids. Surgery table, ability to go up and down or tilt. Down here we have our circulating water pump. So we just actually got this here a while back, keep our patients warm right here. And then we also have our heating unit over here, bear huggers, what a lot of us call it. So we have that. A lot of cabinet space in here. Our doctors use the Avogard for the hand antiseptic. And then all of our cabinet stuff, all of our cabinet space up there. We also have a infusion pump and a syringe pump over here. We have 4 pumps all together. In here we actually keep our warm sodium chloride for our surgeries and our mannitol. So we keep that under a heating pad. And then just to kind of give you an idea, we'll just kind of come out of surgery, kind of give you a big overview of the treatment area. And then as you can see, if you come back down the hall, back up and to the right is your reception area. Thank you for joining our video tour.